Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The other day I had an amazing wash day and I just so happened to record, so I decided to go ahead and get this uploaded for you to share with you what I use to deep condition and style to get these amazing results. All right, let's get started. All right, so to get started with this routine, I first mix these two butter masks from Not Your Mother's together. I'm gonna have details down below, of course, and details on their other masks for you. And I did already cleanse my hair before starting. I just wet plopped so that my hair would not dry out. So my hair right now is cleansed and detangled. And I'll have a link for you guys to see, just like my shower routine if you need that. All right, so after cleansing my hair, I sectioned it off just to make sure that all of my hair is going to get covered. And I went in with the deep conditioner. And as you guys know, I love to twist my hair as I apply my deep conditioner. This helps to encourage your natural curl pattern and help to train your curls. But it's also going to make sure that all of your hair is getting coated. And it's going to help you to be able to feel the areas that might need a little bit more love in between your fingers. So any areas that don't feel as smooth, just make sure that you really take the time to work the conditioner in those areas. And you'll see that I twist smaller in the areas in the back of my head because they're drier and need more definition. So I just take my time and work in sections, twisting as I go, and then as I get to the top area, I like to twist towards the front because this is going to help me have more volume after I style later. I covered my hair with 2 plastic caps and let the conditioner sit on for 10 minutes before I rinsed with my hair upside down with cool water. I then wet plopped while I did my makeup. If you don't know what wet plopping is, I have a link for you to check out my video because it's a game changer. It helps with definition, it's going to help with volume, it's going to help with frizz, so definitely check that out. So after wet plopping, I started the styling process with this Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner by Not Your Mother's. I just went ahead and targeted my mid-lengths and ends, and then as usual, I smoothed that through using the praying hands method and just really worked through my layers, making sure that all of my hair was coated. And just real quick, for anyone wondering, this silver shampoo cape, I wear it to protect my clothes while styling. I have them in my Amazon store, or you can find them at your local beauty supply store. Because I was only using 2 stylers for this routine, it was really important to make sure that I smoothed my hair with the leave-in until it all completely felt like seaweed. And then for even more volume, here's a little hack. Flip your hair upside down and smooth the strands upward. Don't twist them though. That could actually weigh your curls down. Because I wanted to shine with a light hold, I decided to use the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, and I used a pretty good amount. And then I'm going to just carefully work that through each side of my hair first, just to make sure that the gel is evenly distributed. I don't want to have like tons of gel on one side and then not enough on the other. And then you're just going to see me using the praying hands method as I go back and forth and just work through the layers, making sure all of my hair is coated as usual before I start to scrunch. If by the time you get to this step you feel like your hair is not wet, I do suggest applying more water because the key to getting the definition that I got for this routine is right here. When you go to scrunch, you really want this milky, juicy substance to be coming from your curls, just to let you know that your curls have taken in everything that they need and this is what's left over, if that makes any sense at all. Scrunching also helps to encourage your curls, so it's a really important step. After scrunching with my hands, I then went in with my HiF3licia towel and scrunched out the excess water and product very carefully. My scalp is red. It's just because I'm light skinned, you guys. There's no irritation, no burning, nothing. And then as usual, I diffused with my Diva Curl diffuser, and I do have a video all on diffusing for you guys. So I didn't really go into detail in this video on the diffusing process. After I finished diffusing, I went in and picked out my roots. I have this pick and some other picks that you can choose from in my Amazon store, and of course I have a link down below. After picking my roots, I then just went in, quick blasted them one more time with the blow dryer, and then scrunched in this rose elixir from the INNATE Life just for a little extra shine and just to make sure that my ends were moisturized because the highlights that I got a month ago are still kind of dry, so I just wanted to moisturize. And these are my results. As you guys see, I have all my definition back, my highlights are moisturized, there's no dry areas, and I'm just so happy with how long my hair is getting. I just had to throw that in. All right, curl friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.